Hi everyone. In this episode, I'd like to show you some new features in Microsoft Teams, at least what I noticed, and maybe you'll like and enjoy it. So I'm in a Microsoft Teams, US Sales, and the new way to create a team is to go to this plus, and we have several possibilities. We can create a team, and previously, you would get a list of all of the templates that Microsoft provides or that your organization provide. Now, if you want to see the templates, then you can click here and you'll see all of the templates that are there. You can choose from another team and you can choose from the groups. Um, Now, the second possibility is to create a channel. So, you don't need to be in a team to create a channel. So let's call the channel demo 123. Description, this is a demo. And you can choose if it's a standard, shared, or private. And here you can provide the team you want to add it to. Once you do that, let's choose again the type. And what are we missing? We're missing the name. So click create and now the channel has been created and we can add additional people. By the way, when we create here the, the new team, by default, it's set to private. If we want to change it, we can click here and we can choose if we want it private, public, or org wide. So this is what we can see up until now. If we go to the three dots, we can mark all as red. We can manage teams. If we do manage teams, we can see here actually all of the teams and how many people and additional things. You can see pending invites and analytics. Here, so for example, this is the analytics for all of the sites. You can also see it here. By the way, let me check here. Uh, Manage teams. You can also create a new. Let me see. Here we are. We had the possibility to create a new team. I don't see it here. We also have this discover button. So no suggestions at this moment. Let's click on the settings. It doesn't show anything. So now if we choose join team, we could join a team code or we can create a new team. So if we click here, we see all of the templates like we did before. Just remember if by default when you click on a plus, then and create a new team, you will not see all of the templates. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you like it, subscribe and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.